The term Immaculate Constellation is really searched for on Google almost never. Of course, searches for it skyrocketed today, but there was one other time it also displayed a large blip, June 2023, just as the modern UAP crash retrieval story broke with David Bush. So why would they be searching that up? A blip. I guess you can get the information somewhere on Google. I know that's how the search optimization experts, they've got various tools that can look up keywords. Okay, let's try our own search. Google Trends. Let's go there. Saw what New Zealand is searching for. Okay. Why does it keep putting stuff there? Try my name. It's going to be a few poor skinners in the world, I say. So it looks very similar to what he would have typed in, right? Looks like it overrid what I was typing. So maybe you can't do it unless you log in or something. Now this sucks. Change it now. Web search. Let's try typing it in again. It looks like it might be working now, is it? Oh, someone was looking for me. Back in. That must have been security. 100 times someone was searching me. How do we find out what date it is? Can't read on that little tiny screen. Go on that side. October. I can't quite read it. But yeah, it's on the wrong side. You stupid system. October 2024. Coming up to. So someone was doing a search on me on October the 12th. There you go. I'd probably say it'd probably be me. There can't be too many Paul Skinners with a public interface out there. But no one was interested the whole other time, which is probably why Google's suppressing me. And what's that go back to here? The start of the year. So, how do you do the timeline? Past day. New Zealand. So let's change it to worldwide. How does that change it? Still the same, is it? Yep. That's interesting, isn't it? Per day, categories, web search. Alright, past one all time. I suppose that might not give it to us. 2004 when they started collecting information. Anyway, let's see what happens on that one. That's looking a wee bit more interesting. So, the first big one was 100, 2004. But I'm pretty sure the other one said 2024, didn't it? There's none here, it looks like 2024, so I'm a wee bit confused. Although we can't see the date. It's a bit hard to read it. What's that say? 23? August 2024, October. So someone's doing a check-up on me, probably. Are we misreading it here? What's the scale on this one? 50 and 100. So that doesn't make any sense to me. I'm pretty sure we go back past 30 days. That's different again. But there's the 100. Is that October? September to October. How come we don't see 100 there then? On the other big graph. Seems a bit buggy, doesn't it? Anyway, so I joined YouTube in 2016. And it seems got less searches. But yeah, that's probably not to me. I probably have to type the out there channel to see if they out their channel, because we know they suppress me. So who would be searching for it? And of course, that would have started in 2016, which is quite interesting. It has before. That means there must have been an out there channel. I think there was. I think some guy started up a comedy website called the Out There Channel in 2008. So that would be his one. Suddenly it goes up here. What date is that? I just can't. I just won't give it. 213, 14. And you can see his channel died away. There is it. And then I come along. I was thinking that no one's using that name. Can't quite read that. Is that 13? Died off there, picked up again. 214. Where's 216? About here. And all this would be more interested in my channel as it's grown. Again, it's only not even over 100 searches. Is that a day? It should be way up there. Let's see, let's pick a more popular channel. Let's try security, right? We'll say 10. Now that's kind of interesting because he wasn't around then. When did he start? He started about 2008. So what is that there? He started showing up in 2008. And he didn't do his YouTube channel until 2011. There we go. And that's where he started getting recognised. And you can see this is when he got into the newspapers. Which would have been about then. 2017, 18. Boom. And looks like it's tapered off quite a bit. Let's try someone else. What's another good one? Jimmy Dore, he's been around for ages on his political channel. Well, his is comedy, political comedy. He's been around for a while. Okay. You're gonna have lots of fun with this tour, by looks of it. Yeah, he's been around for a while, 2004, 2011, and he would have picked up once Trump got into power, 2016. There you go. 2016. But still pretty low down. Less than 25 searches for his show. Doesn't sound right, does it? Does I mean 25,000 maybe, or 2,500? What does it say there? Note. What's that mean? Where they had a technical outage, is it? Yeah, I hate these little pop-ups that says there, but I can't read it. Yeah, I can't get it. I can't read it. It's too small. Maybe I can read it on my string backwards later. Alright, breaks it down who's searching it, from what country. Looks like he's popular in America, Alaska, Canada, a wee bit in UK. What's that there? I can't read it. It's gone to the wrong side. What's that? Germany there? Asia, Australia. Anyway, we're looking at. Got sidetracked there, haven't we? So yeah, do you have to put it in quotes? Is the question. Well, it doesn't matter about spaces. How clever is it? You know. I'll put it in quotes to see if it comes up different to his. What was it called? Constellation. There we go. So it's something else we've learnt today, isn't it? How to do this. Forever learning. Okay, we got it in quotes. It doesn't make any difference. 2004, September 2005. He said it was in June. But it looks like he might be wrong.